Broadcast. I want to welcome everyone to Global Markets Radio Daily Recap. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. Thursday, April the 28th, 2011. What a day. Another day. Another straight up to the moon type of day. Oh, baby. Crazy. What can I say? No reversal, no soup for you. The Bernanke rally still intact. Aussie. Well, Kiwi reversed, but even cable reversing big time. Euro sterling closing over 89. But obviously, big news of the day. Pending home sales, I thought was pretty impressive, up 5.1%. But again, now this is 3 weeks in a row. Jobless claims over 400,000, coming in a stunning 429. And I don't know who had the correlation between jobless claims and the stock market, but that's certainly not working. The VIX closing under 15 significantly at 1440. That's a new low. Dow Transport's closed at a new high. That's bullish. Oh, baby. I don't know. Third base. We're getting to the end of it. I don't know when it's going to happen, but, we did have some numbers coming out of Japan last night that were stunningly terrible. We knew they were going to be bad, though. Household spending down 8.5%. Preliminary industrial production down 15.3%. Unemployment rate getting better, but who knows how many people are out of the workforce by being dead. Sorry, I know that was not nice. Inflation pretty much in line with expectations. And Eurozone numbers, really nothing to talk about. French consumer spending down 0.7%. That's not good. Import prices at Germany a little higher. U.S. And German unemployment rate, big number. That was I think that was a 19-year high in German unemployment. 37,000. The euro exploding on that. And again, this dollar index, while it was looking like a nice little, once again, we were looking for that hammer. I don't think so. No soup for you. S&Ps look like they're going to 1390. Again, measure this move from 1340 down to 1325, 1295. Tack on 45 handles, and we're at 1385. Only 20 handles on the spoos away. Can we just do it and get over with? I can't take it. Straight up. Boom, 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 boom. Crazy. Other numbers that came out last night, U.S. GDP, obviously 1.8% revision was lower. That's not good. GDP price index 1.9%. That was pretty good for Bernanke, obviously, to keep QE2 and QE 2.5, which is, in my opinion, when he reinvests the coupons that keep coming in, that's the same thing as a massive stimulus. I mean, billions of dollars coming in on payments. Pending home sales up 5.1%. That was good. Tonight, got a decent amount of data coming out. I thought that New Zealand rate decision wasn't really a shocker. I'm really surprised that New Zealand dollar really got hit so hard on that. It was obvious they're very uncertain about what's going on down in Kiwi land. But is it any real bad news? I mean, when you look at the other side of the report, all the other export side of the economy doing phenomenally well. So, I think that was very interesting. And once again, bond yields down, dollar yen down. Dollar yen can't get anything going. Got up to 82.30 almost, and then nothing. Zero. Nada. Reversing, and looks like it's going lower. Maybe 81.30, maybe 81. All the yen carry trades also pulling in. I think those might reverse tonight. So there might be opportunity tonight. I think the yen carry trade should continue that breakout that we had from 2 days ago. So you can buy on pullback on that. But we do have HSBC final manufacturing number coming out, PMI at 10:30 p.m. Eastern tonight. Last month was 51.8. But remember, it's a final number. It's not a new number. So there shouldn't be any shocker there. German retail sales, no big deal there. Bank holiday. Of course, we got the marriage. Kate getting married. I think it's a 4-day bank holiday out of London. Monday they're off too. Is it for the wedding? Yep, royal wedding. Amazing. But the pound certainly coming under pressure. You would imagine that is the most gorgeous shooting star you'll see, but I don't know. I think I think it could be a nice buy. Obviously, if you go bearish engulfing on the pound, you got to get the hell out. So we'll see. But we certainly have plenty of data coming out tonight in Europe. Money supply out of the Eurozone. CPI flash estimate 2.7. Big number there. Unemployment rate supposed to be at 9.9%. It's probably going to be better. And you get a hot CPI number. Market will be pricing in more rate hikes by the ECB. And euro to the moon. S&P closing at 1360. No pullback. No soup for us. No reversal. But again, if you've been listening to my show, my programs, you know my bias. I mean, listen, dollar down, but then we're looking to reverse. So really, you could have had a very nice day. I mean, the Aussie at one point reversed almost 70 pips. The euro reversed almost 100 pips. So, I just think we're getting to the end of this, where I don't think we can fear this major 250 pip move up in the euro at this point. We might be down 50 and close up 100, something like that. So I look to buy the pullback again tonight in Asia, I guess, if there is one. Canadian GDP tomorrow is supposed to be up 0 from 0.5 last month. Looking for a better number there. I am looking for a better number there. But, hang on, let me see if I can do something about that. Yeah, I can. Boom. There you go. So, in looking at this number, I think Canadian number is going to be good. I see a nice, hammer on that dollar Canada. And we have my old propeller pattern. If you're familiar with my analysis, technical analysis, you got a shooting star in dollar Canada. We'll get to it in a second. And then a hammer today. It really can go either direction. Yes, you get bullish engulfing. It's going higher. I am looking for a better number, though, out of Looney Land. Absolutely. But I'll tell you, we got some key numbers coming out of the U.S., especially for Bernanke, as personal consumption expenditure is supposed to be up only 0.1%. Last month was up 0.2%. ECI, Employment Cost Index, supposed to be up 0.5 versus 0.4. That's a Q-on-Q number. That could be very interesting to look at. A lot of people, a lot of economists starting to talk about, especially Bernanke too, wages. And employment cost, ECI, is a big number there, as well as personal spending, personal income, and Michigan inflation expectations. Now, it is a revision, so next month is the key. We got Chicago PMI also, 68.7. I'm looking for a weaker number there. That'll probably hit dollar yen, I guess. Bernanke speaking. And then Saturday, by the way, 9 p.m., we get China, manufacturing PMI. Interesting there, 53.4. So could be a gap up, gap down situation based upon how good or bad that number is. I would imagine it's probably going to be an inline to weaker number given the slowdown, all the slowdown and monetary policy tightening that's been going on. So we'll see. All right, let's take a look at the charts. You waited long enough. S&P, measure the move from 1340 to 1296, 1385. Say hello to my little friend. Oh, baby. Dollar index, it could have been a hammer. It was looking so good at one point today, but no. And again, it's just going to continue to go lower. We're at new 3-year lows, multi-year lows here. And it just looks like we're going to 72 easy, 72.20. Euro-dollar daily chart. I mean, you certainly can make a case for a shooting star. Abso-freaking-lutely. But we had one here, didn't we? And what happened? Nothing. Inside day. So, yes, you want to get all excited and, oh, that's it. Well, remember, candlesticks give you one thing, but even in candlesticks, you need bearish engulfing. We need to take our previous day low. We get down to 147, well, even 147.20, it would still be a buy. Again, I'm looking to sell the strength, big time strength, but I think you got to be long it. And then maybe get short. But you want to make money on the long side to help cover yourself on the short side, right? Dollar yen, terrible close, looking terrible here. Hard call. We've seen this before in dollar yen where it breaks out, comes in, the next day it's back up again. So certainly previous day low is going to be a very big spot. It's only 81.30, I thought it was. Let's say 81.25. We break there. I think we go to 81. Roughly right on there. And if we take that out, 80.50 is huge. 80.60 even. We take that out, there's free fall. Free fall. Do I think it's going to happen? No. Bond yields really didn't collapse today. Stock market closed strong. Risk in the house. You would think this thing comes back. So, and you look at the yens too. So look at euro yen. Nice pullback. Broke out. Now it's pulling back to the breakout area. And I think if we get a pullback, 120 to 10 exponential, I'm looking to buy it. Can't beat them, join them. Sterling yen, same thing. Pull back maybe to 35.20. Look to buy it. Fib of previous day. I do fib the whole thing. And that 135.30 level looks delicious. Oh, baby. Sterling with a monster shooting star. I mean, it don't get no better than that. And I would say back the truck up, but really? Man, I want to buy the pullback. I think if this thing breaks down to the 66, you got to be long. I'm sorry, 65. But I don't even know if it will. You could do a whole Fibonacci of this move. When we get down to like 66, 65.50, I think it's a great buy. I think 66, you saw it legging in. Dollar Swiss, inside day, really nowhere. Double bottomed. Looks like it's finding a bottom, this dollar Swiss. Oh, wait. Oh, you guys can see charts? Oh, good. Usually you can never see. I don't check. Check. So, what is this? Sorry. And look at this dollar Swiss. To me, certainly looks like it's bottoming out. I think it could pop up to about 88. That's the real safe haven play, and the stock market's going up. Everyone's all happy and giddy. Now, again, back to that dollar counter, like I told you. Remember, we had that reversal there, and we had the reversal here. That's my old propeller pattern. Certainly under 94.50, it's toast. I think we get a bounce tonight, and we look to sell. I think this GDP number is going to be better. Gold, oil. Wheat came in a little bit, but, again, all commodities are exploding. I think this GDP number is going to be better. I hope we can short this thing at 95.30. I really do. Hopefully Euro Canada reversals, too. Oh, God. That was a nightmare. This thing's not over. Aussie dollar is not over. It looks like it wants to get to 110, people. I can't believe it, but it looks like it's going there. This is parabolic. Crazy. Just like the stock market. But 110, I think I gotta lay it out there at 110. I guess. What do I know? Those of you that have been riding this thing up, congratulations. This one I think is going to play catch up. Again, I thought last night the RBNZ was not so terrible. But this whole 80 level, 79, 70 level, big. Triple bottom, right around the 10 exponential. I like it. I want to be long this New Zealand on this pullback. Maybe it comes in a little bit more and look to get in. Euro sterling continues to break out. The euro continues to act well. And I think this euro sterling probably goes higher. And again, back to this euro dollar trade. Maybe it looks like 150. 110, we got 110 on the Aussie, maybe 150 on the euro. I don't think it's going to happen, but again, with the stock market closing so strong, with rates staying on hold in the U.S., with possible inflationary numbers coming out of the Eurozone tonight, and deflationary numbers coming out of the U.S. tomorrow, you would think we go parabolic into the close. And again, I think this dollar yen holds, and probably the yen carry trades look to make a comeback tonight. So that's the way it is. That's the way the cookie crumbles. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to email me, info@globalfxradio.com. Hey, listen, you listened to me, you benefited last night. I may have called for a reversal, but we were short dollars. We just reversed again. Andrew Spanton. Global Markets Radio. Team, 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock. The only voice you'll ever need who truly loves to make you money. Have a good night.